Welcome to Fleur du Cap. We're in the heart of the cellar in the mountain, and I'm Shantae, and this is our November Spotlight, and it's all about going green. So I'm surrounded by three very lovely gentlemen with me who are going to introduce themselves to you one by one. Starting on my right.
Hi, my name is Pieter Badenhorst. I'm responsible for all the white wines here at Fleur du Cap.
My name is Jaco from Walt. I'm also one of the winemakers, and I'm responsible to get all the wines ready for bottling.
Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm responsible for the red wines.
And Vincent started here 4 days ago, so I'm pretty impressed. So as we're talking about green, what I really wanted to ask you guys is all about the sustainability and the earth-friendly nature of Fleur du Cap. So first of all, I'd love to start on unfiltered. Tell me about your unfiltered wines.
Okay, first, maybe on our unfiltered range, there's two legs to the whole unfiltered range. The one being that it's a selection of the best we have available. Spend no expense, we give it the full treatment in order to get everything, all the natural fruit-driven flavors there, the terroir expressions of the specific grape cultivars there. So it's a selection of the best we have. And then the second leg of our unfiltered range would be the fact that they literally are unfiltered. So to clarify these wines, we go more natural, we are Fleur du Cap wines inspired by nature, so we go the more natural route of using gravity to clarify these wines, and we carefully rack the clean wine from that sediment before bottling.
And how would you describe the sustainability of Fleur du Cap?
We subscribe to two different systems. First of all is the IPW system, which is the integrated production of wine. That looks specifically at fertilizing and also pest control in the vineyards. We try and minimize the effect that any of our actions have on the environment. And then secondly is the BWI initiative, which is the Wine Biodiversity Initiative. With the BWI initiative, what we try to do is we actually encourage the farmers to leave a minimum of 10% of the farms covered by natural vegetation. Now obviously that creates an environment where we can have the indigenous fauna and flora and in that way conserve it. And it actually, to a great extent, also helps in a natural way controlling a lot of your pests.
The nice thing about IPW is they also look at your carbon footprint and wastewater and the actual usage of water, and to try and keep that as low as possible per litre that we produce in our cellars. And it really goes a long way in conservation for us.
I think the nice thing is that South Africa is actually a world leader in terms of having your IPW certification incorporated in your certification as well. So the wines carry the sustainable seal production, so it actually shows that all our farms are IPW accredited, the farms are IPW, the cellar is IPW, and that value chain is followed all the way through from the farm right to the bottom.
Awesome, fantastic. Okay, well in closing, November we're coming out to some pretty nice weather. What will you guys be drinking in this month?
Oh, definitely our Sauvignon Blanc unfiltered. It's so versatile. You can have it on its own, and then when you move over to some very well prepared food with my lovely wife, I recommend Sauvignon Blanc.
And yourselves?
I'm still going to have a couple of dries. We still have some lovely meat in the fridge, so yeah, I'll still be on the red for another month or two.
I'm definitely going to be on the Shannon. I really enjoy the really upfront fruit, really juicy flavors and slightly lower acidity. It just drinks a little bit easier for myself, and I just love it having it next to the door.
Super, thanks guys.